In this video, we will discuss about Python variables. Let's start the video. First of all, let's open Visual Studio Code. You can use PyCharm Community Edition also. Now let's create a file.text.py. Create file. First of all, let's create a variable called message. Let's give it hello world. Then print it. Message. Print is a built-in function of Python that outputs to terminal. Like if I run this program, it will print out hello world. And another thing, whenever you see these single quotes or double quotes, that means this is a string. Let's write a multi-line string like message.line. Multi-line string is used three quotes, like I am a student, then print this, print message line. Okay, let's print this. Here you can see I am a student. There is two types of numerical variables like integers and float. Integers are the whole numbers without decimal points, like this is a age. This is an integer variable. Let's make a float variable like height. Let's give it 5.5. And another type of variable is Boolean variables. Like let's give a variable, give it true. This is a Boolean type variable which have only two values, true or false. This one is S15. Let's see if I change it, it changes or not. Let's print this age and print it. Here you can see 15. So let's change it further. Age equal to 20. Then print. Okay, let's print it. Here you can see the age variable is 20. You can change the variable anytime you want. In Python, variables are dynamically typed. You can change the data type also, like I am assigning this 20. Look, this is an integer and I am assigning a string variable to it. Let's print it age. So let's run the program. You can see 20 is printed. See you in the next video. Till then, happy coding.